Hi everyone, just want to share a story of mine. What happened few years ago. This is many years ago when I was still a broker. I was still a broker as a remiser in one of the top company in Singapore, and I have then quite a few clients. And some of the clients are from Malaysia. So I have this very big client from Malaysia who trades in big amount. And one day he told me that, hey Colin, I heard from so and so, his friend, right, that this stock is going to go up in the next few weeks or next few months. I forgot, but the next thing he told me, Colin, this is a stock that I want to buy and accumulate a position. So during then it was still manual key in orders, right? So I helped him to key in the orders, to accumulate the position. Then what happened is after a few weeks, this stock initially started to move up, and then after that it came back down. And he was on margin also. So what happened is I tell him, hey, be careful, because this stock is on margin right now because the value came back down. And just be careful. And then during then he was on holiday. I forgot where's the place, somewhere in Europe or what. I just tell him that must be careful, So during that time he can trade, whether is it on calling me to trade, or you can also do online or on the online platform. So what happened is when he was on the holidays, and it was this stock is a Hong Kong stocks. It's a Hong Kong stocks. And then when it was in when Hong Kong started to trade, and then the market came down. The market came down. But instead of cutting loss, this person went to average down. He used an online platform to buy some more of the stocks. And this was actually a wrong thing to do, but I will talk about the lessons later. So even though he was on holiday, he was still looking at the position, and even was looking at position, instead of cutting loss, he go and average down his position. So throughout the day, initially the market came down, and then after that the market went back up. But after that, in the later part of the afternoon, the market came down a lot. Came down a lot, and basically his position was totally wiped out. Wiped out, and he lost the whole account. The whole account was being blown up. And so I want to share with you all some lessons about this journey of this client of mine. What's this journey? First thing first, I think also my rule is don't trade while on holidays. So if you're on holiday, go and enjoy your holiday. Don't go and hold a position. That is the first thing that I from this hindsight, what are the things that can learn from this person's journey. See, don't trade when you're on holidays. Second one is very obvious, is because when you trade on holiday, you look at the market, right? So you will see, hey, actually the market, the stock was down, and then what he did was he actually averaged down the position. He add on more position onto a losing position. So that is the second thing you should not do. Don't average down a losing position. In fact, if you should have a certain percentage of loss that you want to look at, and then beyond that number, you will definitely cut position, fight another day. Fight another day. And lastly, this may be not pertaining to this person, but his leverage was not that big. But because the market went down a lot, that's why his whole account was wiped out. So if you're trading on holidays, if you're averaging your stocks down and you're on margin, you're asking for trouble. So some of these things that you'll learn, I hope you all will not repeat as either a trader or as someone investing. Don't hold position, don't average down, and also don't use any margin if you are not familiar with that. So I hope this short sharing session is useful for you in a lesson that I've learned from my as a reminder.